Hey guys, thank you for being here. Just another trade recap. Yeah, let's get it. So, going into the day on a higher time frame, so we've been kind of chopping around here for the past whatever, like 4-5 days, and today before the New York session, before the 9:30, we did have a big like sell-off, like big, huge badass again. I hate repeating myself. I need to find another word for the big down move. Anyway, and it's kind of yeah. we we can see kind of similar pattern for the again for the past 4 days. The sell off, rebalance, sell off, we rebalance again. We're selling off today, and besides this like manipulation lower, we also swept this low right here by a tiny little pip tick move, just right in here, like just one tick literally. Yeah, you can see it on the chart right now. And I was like, all right, I was looking for a long position again, and I found it. Besides that bias that I have, I'm sorry, like the charts are way too overloaded with all the pictures, and I have like marks and everything. I have to find a better way of marking everything out. But okay. Anyway, and also you can see like on a higher time frame that we did close within the bullish fair value gap again. We did have a week though. Again, we wicked, swept this low, and came back to rebalance the whole business that we did in the morning, that the market did in the morning. I was looking for long position, and you can see like over here there are no like basically no price pockets, no fair value gaps, and everything being delivered pretty efficiently. But like right here, here's a tiny little gap, but I didn't want to place the trade right here. And I found it later on in the day. We did have an impulse after like out of this like little consolidation that we have, creating another fair value, bullish fair value gap. On 1 minute, it's a little like, it's way too messy on the 1 minute, but if you can see on the 3 minute chart, 3 minutes, where the fuck it is? Dude, oh, okay. On the 3 minutes is just a little bit more obvious right here. So this like imbalance candle, this is the fair value gap I was looking at, and here's the pattern basically. That's where I entered my long position with the target of just, lower hanging fruit, with the target of the recent low, and it ended up playing pretty well for me. So that was the first trade, and the second trade, basically the same, pretty much the same logic with the first one. I was looking for, I'm sorry, where the heck it is? It's right here. I was looking for the same continuation higher, and yeah, that was a pretty nice entry. So we've created this like relative equal highs, so like potential liquidity above this level. The same and new impulsive swing right here with another fair value gap. If you measure this like price lag, it's again within, the retracement was like within right here, the sweet spot below the 50% level. So yeah, so we retraced here, swept these lows, rebalanced this fair value gap, and we went higher. What did I do though? I added up another contract right in here after we violated bullish, bearish fair value gap, this structure, we went all the way up. That's another indication of bullishness. I was looking to grab another contract once we retest this imbalance right here, and we did. Also on the 5-minute, you can't see right now, but by the time there was no candle, there was like an empty space again, like it was a gap, and the price rebalanced all the way down, this inefficiency, and we went higher. So that was my initial entry, and that was my add on, like on this this level right here. And target number 1, yeah, we got swept. Target number 2, we also went past that. So it was a pretty decent day. Again, I have to go over and study it more in depth, and as a result, there's my P&L. As a result, right here, we are plus $135, which is my a new what's the word for that? I mean, again, I'm happy for that. Yeah, so that should be pretty much it. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.